Alright, welcome to the new Insurgency video, guys. We're going to be doing a new Insurgency video.
Alright then, get ready!
We're going to try and compress last week's video, so it's going to be GIGN. I just changed over to the Breacher version, and maybe we'll do Marksman eventually, but that one's going to need a little bit more time to think. But yeah, we're basically just going to try and speed run last video, so I'm not going to make it... Oh, that side is horrid. We're not going to make it try and be like, We're not gonna try and make it be like last video where it took an hour. We're gonna, every time I die, I gotta switch to a new one. So this is GIGN. French, so I just grabbed the P90 because it's in Siege. I don't actually know what they use. How is that guy not dead?
Reloading!
Sorry about that. I'm starting orientation for my new job today. My parents are a little worried about time. You know, I was never really the most punctual guy, but I am now. Okay, oh wait, no, we're capturing. Where the fuck is the gunshots coming from? Don't like that lag spike. These sights are atrocious. I see why they didn't. I like it because it's I like optic unique specifics. I mean, as I'm sure you could have figured out, but this is just not it. Shit. Down to the revolver. I threw the sniper barrel on just because fuck it. I had one last supply point by this loadout selector. You know how Insurgency works. You get supply points, you gotta make your loadout without going over budget. What is that? I'm doing pretty good with this fucking P90. Not a real big SMG guy, especially not in this game. Oh, I could have afforded the fucking... That's what I should have done. Alright, ignore that. I forgot I was the advisor and not the breach, so I can't take out the C4. Alright, Spetsnaz time.
Okay, time to move.
I got the Saiga 12 out again. Got the 10-round magazine. Hopefully I'm locked in enough. I was pretty locked in up until that happened. I think I got the heavy armor, so I'm starting to slow down a lot. I'm probably running low on stamina. I'm gonna just have an approach most cautious going on here. Okay, if he survived all that. Okay, it's not good. That's what I love about shotguns. I wasn't even aiming at that guy.
Whoa, need an observer. Come to me. Let's get a gunship at this target.
It's a good choice. It's a good choice. I like that.
Get the gunship over here. Charlie, secure. Anyone?
Damn.
Come on.
Alright, because I died so close, it's not counting as like my death, so we're in this game for a little longer, but A little bit longer Saiga 12 time. So I don't feel like hitting up the resupply. Gotta keep my eyes up, dude. Alright, well, there goes his whole him right there.
Okay, we're done.
He's trying to tuck in. No, no, helicopter gunship, please come back.
Don't be stupid, man. Give up. All right, Delta's been
I'm
secured.
glad we haven't had to defend anything yet. Don't know how I survived that, dude.
Shit! We're working on Echo.
Alright, I'm gonna change my shit at this resupply.
We just destroyed
I didn't realize how good I was gonna do today. Alright, back onto the SAS. Like I said, it's gonna be the MP5. Little on the ammo hungry side, but it'll have to do, pig. Not the best for this. Where am I getting shot at from? Is that me getting shot at? I don't know. Okay, just moving in, moving forward. Where are the stairs? I remember there being stairs here. Is that? Is this the stairs? I gotta like fucking jiggle peek my way up there, dude. Oh. My aim is not gonna be true, dude. Oh, that is a wheelbarrow. Just bleeding through bullets over here, Bubba.
Hot shot secure. Right there.
My name Bobby Boucher. Alright, this is gonna be Geo's G9 that we're playing. As you can see, I'm locking in, dude. I got the fucking... this thing. What is this called again? MP7 with the MRO? Trijicon MRO, I believe. And then, of course, the Glock. Glock with extended mags. Hell yeah, dude. But yeah, if you remember my last MP7 video, Just not a big fan of this thing. Hopefully that can change. Alright, well, we'll give that one more life, because I just got fucking smoked. Yeah, I had a shotty. The superior breaching weapon. I've only used twice.
Okay, time to move. I got contact.
Alright, now I gotta get a kill, surely. Alright. Stumped a whole mag on that poor boy. Alright, on to the final one. This one's gonna be, FBI.
They need us. Come on.
So got a M870. Don't remember it being so small on my screen. But yeah, bare bones. I like bare bones. And then, of course, the 1911, because they don't have a 40 cal or a 10 mil. I might be completely wrong about that. They also don't have a 5.7. A 5.7 pistol. I don't know, those are what I know. I know the 1911 is like, if you want an American service pistol, that's probably been in every branch of everything ever.
Securing now.
Right here looks dark enough. I think I just have buckshot.
Loading.
Alright, well that 8 shell's gonna make all the difference. We're probably gonna have to defend this hunk of shit. No, we are just...
It's clear. I'm up.
RNG gods have blessed us today, dude. They heard, oh, he's trying to speedrun this shit, let's go. Don't fuck with me, Pete. Take your shit smooth off.
Clearing now. Over there.
Don't just be saying shit, dude. You're scaring the hell out of me.
Look.
Oh! Oh, that one extra shell was not worth it, dude. Should have just been on the lookout. Man, as we went through all of them,
Move.
we're just gonna, like, double back through some of them, whatever I think I didn't do too good on. Mostly just this and the MP7. Next wave, I'll choose the MP7. Actually, let me just pick it right now.
Okay, clearing. Over here. Hundred. Oh, motherfucker! I'll kill every one of you.
Who the hell said that?
Cool.
Yeah, this is the last point, so we're gonna have to defend it, you know?
You guys all okay? Frag going now. Yeah, I'm all right. Yeah. Good to go. Come on.
Thing is, I don't know where they come from.
Enemy on objective!
Oh! That was fucking horrifying.
Loading! Loading! We got guys on the point!
Okay, we're just fucking it up over here. I got scared, dude. I got so fucking petrified.
Stop! No, move! Spread the fuck out! Reloading!
Please no more explosive vests. Please. No, they're not. They better stay the fuck off this point.
Yup, that's us. I'm hit! I'm hit! They're on it! Right there!
Part of me wants to die just so my team can like respawn. Where the fuck is this last guy? Alright, well, thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. No, that wasn't as in-depth, but yeah. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe, all the good stuff, and I'll see you all in the next video.